violated the Indian airspace in Nowshera sector at J&K's Rajouri district. Officials say that Pakistan jets were immediately pushed back by Indian jets on air patrol. This is a very big update that we're picking up from PTI at this point in time about Pakistan violating Indian airspace but having been pushed back by the air patrol. Moving right on, Rekha from Chennai is with us. Let's get her on board to understand what her... Okay, before we do that, I think we're going to be staying with this big breaking story for now. Pakistan violating the Indian airspace. That's something that is flashing on your screens as well. In fact, if you look at the Nifty index as well, there has been a slight drop of about 20 odd points, or in fact a slightly over 20-point drop in the benchmark index reacting to this negative news. But of course, the fact is that the Pakistani jets, despite trying to violate the airspace, were immediately pushed back by the Indian jets on air patrol. So that is something that is the bottom line at this point of time that we are picking up from PTI. That's the only two lines that we have, the only two updates that we have at this point in. Yes, of course, this is a sort of a retaliation perhaps to what transpired yesterday, the early hours of 26th of February, when the Indian Air Force had struck down the terrorist camp at Balakot. This is of JEM, which belonged and was being run by JEM. Indian Ministry of External Affairs, in fact, went on record yesterday. They did carry out a press conference saying the fact that, it was an attack, a strike purely and solely directed towards terrorists and the terrorist base camp, which was based out of Balakot, which was the one that they were targeting in order to eliminate, in order to show their sort of view, their stance against terrorism at large. And do remember, the nature of the strike is extremely important. This was the first time that India had crossed the LOC for the first time since 1971. So that's something that makes it all the more important, the fact that Indian Air Force had crossed the borders after such a long time. So the gravity of, the situation, the sort of seriousness, the sort of urgency is clear by the fact that they had to cross the LOC after such a long span of time. Non-military preemptive strike, that is something that has been made clear by the MEA in the press conference yesterday itself. There was no collateral damage, no civilian casualties that were there. It was purely directed towards the terrorists and a move which is in retaliation to terrorism at large. That is something that this is how they have summed up the